Hey GCSE Physics, coming to you today with specific latent heat questions. So, a student melts 60 grams of ice, let's remember grams for a minute because we're going to have to come back to that at the end of the question, at 0 degrees. The specific latent heat of fusion of water is 3.34 times 10 to the 5 joules per kilogram. Define specific latent heat of fusion. I have never seen an exam paper that hasn't got at least the definition of specific latent heat or specific heat capacity. So make sure these are definitions that you learn and know. So the specific latent heat of fusion is the energy required to transform 1 kilogram of a solid to a liquid without a change in temperature, because changing temperature is specific heat capacity, remember, different things. Now, we need to calculate the energy needed to melt the ice. So we need to go back up to our 60 grams, because the equation to calculate the amount of energy needed to change the state of something is Q is equal to M multiplied by L. Q is the amount of energy, M is the mass, L is the specific latent heat, but this mass needs to be in kilograms. So I've got to turn 60 grams into kilograms by dividing by 1,000, which will give me an answer of 0.06 kilograms. And then pop the numbers into my equation, pop those numbers into my calculator, and I'll get an answer. So 0.06 multiplied by the specific latent heat, which is 3.34 times 10 to the 5, gives me an answer of 2 times 10 to the 4 joules. And that's how you answer a question on specific latent heat. I hope you found this useful. If you want more content like this, don't forget to drop me a follow and check out my resources on the MyEdSpace website. I'll see you soon.